Okay, this is the final video in a 3-video series on work order templates and meters. So we started, just to review, at the work order screen, and we created a work order from a template. Okay, then we decided we were going to use that template to generate work orders automatically with a meter. So in the second video we went to the meters screen, we created a new meter definition, and we linked it to a work order template, and then we created the consequent meter readings for that piece of equipment, the star filter. Okay, so this particular reading was linked to an OPC compliant network. It's actually an OPC simulator, but you could think of it as a piece of equipment out on the plant floor running that's generating data through its logic controller or some other OPC compliant data source. So by using this, you can generate your work orders automatically based upon equipment demand. Now this video is just going to cover how you turn on the meter scanner. So I'll go ahead and exit this screen. And the meter scanner really only needs to be turned on from one computer that you expect to have running all the time. If it's not running all the time, that's okay, because when you do turn it on, MateSmart will catch up. So essentially, I went into the program configuration, and I went to the second screen tab, configuration more, and I'm looking at this area of the screen, and I'm going to check for expired meters, automatically create work orders from expired meters. Now if I just check this, then whenever I have an expired meter, it's going to add a work order to the work order screen. It's not going to send it out to a printer or anything like that. If I do want it to be sent out automatically, I'll check this one. If I want to refresh date meters, and there is a meter that keys off of your computer clock at increments once every day, I'll check that. In this case, I'll leave it unchecked. Since we do have this meter linked to an OPC compliant data source, I want to check this. And I think I'll uncheck the print just so it doesn't pop up on the screen, get in our way. And then probably check this, ignore value of 0. If you lose your data source and starts reading zeros, you probably don't want to add those into the meters table, because that would reset your current value of your meter reading. So that's basically it for the checkboxes. Now you can determine your scan rate, and typically, depending on how your network's configured, a scan rate of 1 in today's modern world is fine, but you can go up to as high as once every hour. So this is in minutes. And basically that's it. Once I exit this screen, those settings are saved, and now our meter scanner is scanning and looking for expired meters. When it finds one, it will generate a new work order automatically.